it is planting in their mind, you will have this one day. And that's a posture technique, but it also is that subliminal thing where they go, oh, you know what? This is one of those scenarios that guy was talking about. You know, that Fard Bell guy, this is one of those scenarios where he said, you know what? I was going to need this. Wonder if this is what he was talking about with Legal Shield, right? And so it's like you plant those seeds. So just so powerful, the posture. And of course, when you start talking about vision, everybody's going to own this. You know, you're like, you know, speaking my language, because it's like, that's what I believe too. It's like, I absolutely believe everybody will own our product one day. And if you absolutely believe that, how do you not go out in the marketplace and talk to people in a way that conveys that conviction? So powerful stuff. I'll turn it back over to you, sir. Thank you.
Absolutely. We can go to the next person, and I'll get those visuals up. Miss Marissa, thanks for letting me pick on you.
No problem.